Alis na yung isang bus na yung alis na yung isang bus na isang
Ate, huwag ka masukati ha. What's the taste of ice crumble? Love via ice crumble yan, tay? Ay, hindi. Ano yan? Mang Juan, Uncle Juan's ice crumble. Ayan guys, right now they are eating Uncle Juan's ice crumble. Kasi merong stall dito sa, ayan o. Dito sa Sorsogon Terminal. Masarap siya. Approve?